Welcome to Pydle Day 108. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is Nick Fury from Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Let me know in the comments if you think it looks like Nick Fury. I think it does. You can see the eye patch there. Um, so have a go at solving this Pydle. If you're new to Pydle or you just want to watch a solution, then stick around. I'm now going to solve yesterday's Pydle, which was Pydle 107, and was Iron Man. Okay, so there's a lot of symmetry here, so let's do Cartesian coordinates, minus 2, 3, both x and y. Okay, so let's first do the four corners, which is really simple. We can just say if absolute value of x times y equals 4, because that's going to be 2 or plus 2 or minus 2. So 2 times together is 4, and we take the absolute value, and then it's going to be 4. And we need to do 2 plus x to convert back to Pydle coordinates, and 2 minus y. Okay, there we've got the outline of the helmet, and the other whites are for the eyes. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to take absolute value of x. I'm going to say minus 1 equals y equals 0. Okay, so Python allows you to do kind of chained comparisons. So I could have said if absolute value of x equals 1 or and y equals 0, but it's more convenient to just use it like chained. So I converted the x value to 0, so absolute value minus 1 equals y equals 0. Okay, and there we can see it's slowly building up. Okay, next we're going to tackle the yellows. So we need an LC for that. Okay, so we've got where y equals 0, all the remaining pixels should be yellow. So okay, so let's do that first. Slowly build it up. Okay, so y equals 0. Okay, there we've got that. And we can do again the same thing of absolute value of x times y. In this instance, it's going to be 1. Okay, and now we're just missing 1 pixel there, which is the only bit that's non-symmetrical. Okay, and again we can do or. So x is 0, so we can say and y is minus 1, so we can say y plus 1 equals x. So again we did the same chain comparison, but now we just converted the y to 0 by saying y plus 1, because y is minus 1, and then equals x equals y. Okay, that completes the yellows. So all we need is else for the reds. That completes our Pydle. Okay, have a go at Nick Fury, and I'll see you again tomorrow with a solution.